Today is Thirsty Thursday, and I'm going to show how to make my own version of Mocha Frappe. This Mocha Frappe recipe is great for an afternoon pick-me-up, and it's so delicious. We love making our own version of restaurant favorite frappes at home. Overpaying for a coffee drink is so a thing of the past. This incredibly easy to make Mocha Frappe tastes the same as the original. It is also the perfect drink all the time. Let's start making it. Follow me! The first thing you're gonna do is to grab your favorite cup or mug, whichever you prefer, but it's better to use a clear one so you can see the outcome. So let's go over the ingredients. A cup of coffee, a cup of ice, half cup of milk, coffee ice cream, and chocolate syrup. Let's add our coffee ice cream, ice, milk, and coffee. Blend until smooth. So now we're done blending our mixture. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to decorate our glass with some chocolate syrup. I didn't have chocolate syrup at the moment, so what I did was to get some chocolate chips, put in the microwave, and melted it. So now let's start decorating our cup with some chocolate syrup. So now pour your finished product into the glass. Let's try our finished product. This is really good! It's not too sweet, and it's a great combination of chocolate and coffee. And it's the perfect afternoon drink. That's it for today! Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to big thumbs up and comment down below other things you want to see, and we'll make it happen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for good vibes. See you not tomorrow, but on the next day. Peace out.